This video is about the link between multiplication and division fact families. So we're going to look at an example here, and I'm going to be making a model, and I want to make an array that matches 3 times 4 equals 12. So I'm going to make 3 rows with 4 in each row. So there's one row with 4, another row with 4, and another row with 4. So this array matches this multiplication fact. 3 rows of 4, or 3 times 4 equals 12. Now we want to show the connection with the other turnaround fact, and you've heard your teacher talking about turnaround facts. So the turnaround fact from 3 times 4 equals 12 is 4 times 3. And we can show how this same array, if we look at it from a different way, we can use it to make a model of the multiplication fact 4 times 3. Now it's showing that there are 4 rows of 3. So here's one row, another row, another row, and another row. So that's the connection between the turnaround facts, because you actually turn around the way that you look at the array. So now what we're going to do is to show the connection of those with the division facts that we've got here. So if I think about how could I make a model of 12 put into groups of 4, or 12 divided by 4. So the way I'm going to think about it is this. I want to put my 12 counters into groups of 4. So there's one group of 4, and I'm going to make an array to show that. There's 2 groups of 4, or 2 rows of 4. And there's another row of 4, and I've used up all my 12. So I had 12, and I put them into rows of 4, and there are 3 rows. So that matches with our multiplication facts that we looked at before. That's the connection, that's the link. So we can also do the same thing if we look at this array from the other side. It can help us to think about solving this division equation. 12 divided by 3. So 12 put into groups of 3. So there's, or rows of 3. So one row of 3, 2, another row, and there's the 4th row. So 12 divided into 3, or 12 put into groups of 3, means there are 4 rows. So that's the connection between all of these fact families, or the fact family that goes with 3, 4, and 12.